Hey guys, an everyday Canadian, and today we're doing the seafood cat food challenge. Made by Purina. I hope I said that right. So just cat food or dog food if you guys want to go out and try this challenge. This is not fake, it's completely 100% cat food. We just went to the store and picked it up. You know, I see a lot of people doing this. I want to try it because, as you all know, everybody loves tuna in a can, right? So it should be the same.
What kind is it?
This has got seafood, liver.
No, what kind does it say?
It's Seafood Supreme. I did not put another label on this or anything. It's 100% unopened. Like, I'm going to open it right
so
in front of you guys.
what's the challenge, Inquire? What do you have to do?
Well, I haven't been doing good on my challenges lately, so I'm going to make up for that by eating this whole can. I'm not going to wimp out. I'll sit here and eat this whole damn thing if I have to. I'm going to eat it.
Are you going to swallow it?
I'm going to swallow every little bit of this can. So, we should get started. This is 156 grams. So,
okay.
It's actually bigger than your average tuna can.
Put it on the table so I can see it getting open.
I'm going to show them the front. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. No more failing. We gotta up our game here.
Oh, pretty kitty.
I can even open the damn thing. Just like fruit cocktail in a can.
Let me see what it looks like. You stay there.
It doesn't smell bad. You get a good shot of that? It's got like this
look at the
gross little slime shit on the top.
Mush it up while it's right there just so I can see. Oh god, that's gross.
Oh my god. This is the real deal, guys.
Oh, it stinks.
It actually smells like tuna, just ground up. This is basically like all the scraps, like the eyeballs, the guts, everything, basically in one. Alright, let's do this. It's probably like salty as shit. Truthfully, there's not really that much flavor. Eating tuna
Can you give her
tuna
a
in a
treat,
can
quick?
pretty much.
Can you give her a treat quick?
Pass in here. There you go. Hey guys, sorry about that. My daughter stubbed her toe.
You okay, baby?
Are you okay? She's grumpy. Alright, still, this whole can still, nothing's been changed. I'm sorry I had to stop the camera real quick. Alright, let's do this. Oh.
Oh god, your breath. Take a bigger bite. Bigger than that.
I can taste liver.
Take a bigger bite. Be a man.
As soon as it touches their tongue, it's bad.
Oh, stop talking. Don't. You said you weren't going to throw up. You have to try. Oh my god, I'm like gagging over here.
I've never done anything like this. I've eaten like a dog biscuit before, but nothing like this. It's not
Bigger
all in
bites.
your mind. Like, you can taste the shit out of that. Like,
You want a bigger spoon?
yeah, I want a bigger spoon. Actually, no. I'll just put more on the spoon. Oh my god.
I see you. Oh, Daddy's breath stinks. I see you.
Oh. Oh, God.
So you can do it, Daddy.
What am I doing? Like, what am I doing? How's this entertaining?
Oh, your breath is just impeccable.
Yeah, well, good thing we went out and got some cinnamon gum. Ah! Oh my god, when can we get dog food?
Because dog food's, the can's way bigger.
Yeah, that's a good point. So we're kind of almost done the can, kinda.
See there? Oh, I can see the juices at the
Oh, come
bottom of the can.
That's probably its stomach bile and shit. Oh my god, who would want to watch this?
Bigger bites. If you
Oh.
take bigger bites, you'll get it down quicker. There you go. That's a good bite.
This is real, guys. This is 100% real. This ain't no fake shit.
Just chew, 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 swallow.
Ooh, there's a bone in there.
Ew.
There is bones. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. Oh. Do it for Canada.
Big, big bites. Come on, you're almost done. Big bites.
Oh.
Oh, stop breathing.
How can
That's
I stop
gross.
breathing?
Just keep putting it in. Chew, 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 swallow. Get it down you. Still hasn't puked yet.
How long have you been filming?
That's for, well, the second cut it's 5 minutes, and then 3 minutes the first one, so 8 minutes in total. You got tears coming down your eyes. Come on, you can do it. Keep it down. Keep it down.
Wish I had some mayonnaise.
Ew.
Make a sandwich out of that shit. Ah! Come on! Ugh.
Oh my gosh, stop breathing.
Stop
It's like-
talking.
It was like a tidal wave of just horribleness being blown at me.
Fuck. Oh. That's vile. I'm getting an instant headache.
Yeah, almost done.
Alright guys, let's take a shot of that. I got one more bite I think after this. I got all that. I was sweating out.
Don't do it. You got one bite left.
Oh.
That's what he has left. Oh, look at that. Just
Okay, let me just get it down.
gumminess. You gotta lick the can too when you're done.
No, I'm not licking the can.
Chew, 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 and you're done. Go, go, go.
I'm done. Oh. Okay.
Challenge complete.
I didn't puke. You guys want to see more challenges or everyday Canadian stuff? Please like on this video. Please comment, subscribe. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.